this video, we're going to show you how to record your Premium Attendant messages using your telephone handset. To start, you will need to log into your Commportal admin login and make sure you have reference to the announcement's name and reference number for the recordings on your handset. Please note that the phone you're using must have voicemail capabilities for this feature to work. You can either have a voicemail button that's been pre-programmed on the phone or dial *98 from the handset. For this video, I'm going to use our pre-programmed voicemail button.
Please enter your PIN followed by the pound key. To leave a message for this subscriber, press the pound key. To log on as another subscriber, press the star key.
Press the star key.
Please enter your area code and phone number followed by pound. If you make a mistake and need to start again, press the star key. Please enter your PIN followed by pound. If you make a mistake and need to start again, press the star key. To listen to the subscriber's Premium Attendant, just press pound. Welcome to Subscriber Services. To change your Premium Attendant configuration, press 1. To change your account settings, press 2. To leave this account and log on as another subscriber, press 3.
Press 1.
Premium Attendant configuration. Your Premium Attendant is off. You have one announcement that requires recording. To turn on your Premium Attendant, press 1. To edit your announcements, press 2. To record names for numbers in your dial list, press 3.
Press 2.
Please enter the number of the announcement you would like to record. When you have finished, press pound. To cancel, press star.
Enter your announcement number.
Please make your recording after the beep. When you have finished, press pound.
Thank you for calling Valley Telecom Group. To reach the Business Sales Department, please dial 520-384-8906. Thank you.
Here is your announcement for number 100.
Thank you for calling Valley Telecom Group. To reach the Business Sales Department, please dial 520-384-8906. Thank you.
To save the recording as is, press 1. To re-record this announcement, press 2. To exit without saving your changes, press 3. To continue recording where you left off, press 4, and begin recording after the tone. When you have finished, press pound.
Press 1 to save.
Your recording has been saved. Please enter the number of the announcement you...
At this point, we've completed all announcements required for this Premium Attendant configuration. You can hit the red hang up button to go back to the home screen. At this point, you will reference the Commportal admin user login on your computer and make sure that you have a recording that's saved here in place. You can then click on your main tab, ensure that you have a green circle with a white check mark, and then you can click this turn on button. Your Premium Attendant is now on.